anyways, what we're gonna do right now is just join Fortnite Crew. It's a subscription service, so we're gonna go ahead and purchase it. As soon as we press X and hold on to there, it's gonna take us to our PlayStation Store. It's gonna come out like so as an add-on, which we can cancel later on, so don't worry about that. You guys can cancel that. We're gonna proceed to checkout. So here we go. We're gonna see the screen. It's gonna see your email plus the total amount, which is $15.99. So we're gonna confirm purchase. Once you confirm purchase, thanks for subscribing. We have this add-on, continue shopping, or we can just go back. So we're just gonna press continue shopping. There was a problem. Don't worry about that. We're just gonna press on continue. And there we go. Could not find PlayStation, blah, 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 blah. That's okay. If you guys get this type of error, it's Fortnite. They just started the season. That's why we get a bunch of errors. However, as you guys can see, this happened. I have it. It's all good. I can equip it right now. I can just go next, next, and next. I got my 1,000 V-Bucks. So I can claim all these things. I don't have to equip things. If you don't equip this skin, for example, it doesn't mean you don't have it. It's there. Everything's unlocked. You're good to go. Plus, we have the battle pass. So right now I can equip all this stuff, or I can just go next, 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 and claim. And that's it. That's how you guys can join the Fortnite Crew. Now what I'm gonna do right now is just go back. So right now if I go up, I'm gonna see battle pass. Click on it. The only thing I can purchase are levels. At this point in time, I already have the actual battle pass. So as I mentioned, I have all of this. So I go into play and I go right into my locker. I can go on and change my skin into this one right here. So again, I can just click here. I can wear that skin, and there we go. So that's how you guys can purchase this. Remember, you can always just cancel it later on, but I don't have to stress that this is more expensive than the battle pass itself. I still have to keep repeating that because a lot of people keep telling me that the battle pass is free, but you're really paying for it. You're paying for all these extra things. Anyways, that's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.